Hello, my name is Akim. I'm just gonna show you in this tutorial. I'm gonna show you the demonstration of how to assign calendars to some of our projects, resources, and yeah. So I'm using Primavera 6 Professional 8.2 to show the demonstration. So I'm just gonna open that, put in the password. Yeah, so within the software we have some existing projects which I'm gonna make use of one of them to show in the demonstration of the use of calendar. Yeah, open up. So it's coming up. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. So before I carry on, I'm just going to describe different types of calendar we have. You go into enterprise, you go into calendar. So the first, we have different types of calendar. We have the global calendar, we have the resource type of calendar, we have the project calendar. So the global type of calendar can be assigned to resources and projects, and irrespective of the fact that maybe you open the resources or projects, you can apply global type of calendar. I mean, you don't have to open the project or the resources before you can apply the global type of calendar. And you have the corporate standard full time, you have some of the times. Yeah, you can see some of the time, weeks, some number of hours during the week, number of hours during the week, 6 hours during the week, 24, 6 days, 24 hours during the week, and 6 days, 8 hours during the week. So same thing, the corporate standard full time for some of these projects is 8 hours 5 times during the week. So that's just that anyway. And maybe you want to add a project, you want to add a calendar, so you could modify it to assign it to your project or your resources. So you could use add, modify. So we have the resource type. The resource type, these are the type of calendar which is assigned to some of the resources you are using, you are putting to use in the project. So you could assign one of these calendar to it to one of your resources. I mean, to some of your resources. So the project type of calendar, this type of calendar, in most cases you have to derive. You normally need to derive from global type of calendars and type of calendar you want for your project, and you need to make sure that the project is opened. And if it's a multiple project, you need to make sure that the project is opened as well. So I'm just gonna go back to global and close it for the time being. So just like the way I normally do it, what I normally do in most cases is that to do the calendar and project calendar type, you need to make sure that the project is open. Take for instance, I'm using one of these projects under the EPS node product development. So these are some of the projects I lighted in blue. So take for instance, I'm using Magna Part Product Test project. This is the project here. I'm going to right click on it and say open project. Yeah, as you can see, unlike before, some of the, I think I could really see some of the calendar really which has been assigned to the project are like corporate standard full time anyway, which is like to show that 8 hours in a week, 5 days during the week. I will show you when I get into the global type of calendar. I mean, I think within the calendar form I will show that. So what I normally do is that it's because this Gantt chart wasn't switched on, it was on table. That was why you have this place has been blank. So if you switch this on, so you have the Gantt chart applicable to some of these activities of projects. So in my case, what I normally do is that I go on to table. That makes the the chart disappear. Then I could right click on that, on the graphics, saying columns. Then now click on calendar. But in a situation whereby maybe calendar is not within the selected box here, because that is exactly what we're going to use. So all you have to do is just like say option, available option, group, and sort by listing. So everything here is being arranged down, as you can see, alphabetically. So all you have to do is just like look for calendar, then say yeah, go in there. So you definitely have a calendar in there, and what you need to do is just like highlighting it, because that's exactly what you want to work towards anyway. We don't need the financial rating anyway, so we put it back into the box. So this is exactly what we need the calendar. That's exactly what we are dealing with. So I'm just gonna say apply and say okay. That is in a situation whereby maybe you don't have the calendar here anyway, but it's already here. So what you just need directly is just like say you go into enterprise and you say calendar. When you get to calendar, then you could say hard. When you say hard, oh yeah, we are concerned about the project, and we're going to the project. You say hard. Then when you say hard, possibly you want to make use of the calendar out of the global calendar. We want to extract out of the global calendar. We could pick any one of these, where I'm just gonna pick on corporate standard full time anyway. Then so that I could just modify it by bringing it into the calendar box there for use for, so I could use it for the project type of calendar. Then I could say select. So this has been selected. So in there now I could say sample calendar. You could say 8 hours in a week, or you say 8 hours, or say 9 hours, 9 hours a day, 9 hours a day, 6 days a week, 6 days a week, 6 days work week. Yeah, that's the name I'm gonna give that. Then you could say modify. In there, what you need to do is just like increase the number of let's see, the number of hours, working hours to 9. Yeah, one more. Then use after that. Then we go on to say you click on the work week. We want 9 hours in 6 days, so we could change this to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, it could be Saturday or Sunday anyway, depends on how really you want it. I'll put it on Saturday anyway. That's in 6 days during the week, 9 hours for 6 days during the week. So I just say okay. So definitely that's how I've been assigned to this. So what I just need to do, since I don't need much information here again, in a situation whereby maybe I want to say one of these days I want to say non-work, maybe I say sort of holiday or something like that, I could need to click on there and click non-work, but I don't need that for now anyway. So I should just say okay. So this has been done. So in that respect, what I just need to do is just like get it closed. So come back to the project. This is the same project. Then I could go on there, say this, click on it, then you say select. So automatically you can see it's already come here anyway. So another situation, in a situation where possibly you want the same calendar to be applicable to maybe 3 rows below or column below. So what you just need to do is just like highlighting them. Then you now go on to fill down. So you can see it's been filled down, as you can really see anyway. The reason why I didn't go on this is because it's like it's a project code name anyway, so that's why it didn't go. Is a top, I mean is a top, I mean is a heading, is an heading, so that's why it's not applicable to this. So yeah, it works. That is the end of the project type of calendar. Another way really this could be done in a situation whereby maybe calendar has been created, just like we created it earlier on anyway. That's why it's here for the project. Anyway, you can see it's already been created. But in a situation whereby it's been created, what you just need to do is just like you see one of the projects here, which is on 5 hours in a week. 8 hours in a week, 5 days work week. So what you just need to do is to like click on this, then it could bring us here. Then you could go on to say, okay, what I want is a project type of calendar, which is already there. Another one is a global one, but what we need is a project type of calendar. Then we could say select, and you can say it's already applied there. So that is the way the project calendar works. I hope it helps. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, can you get in touch with my email on bimson2k@yahoo.com, BIMSON2k@yahoo.com. I'm there to help. Thank you very much. Bye.